Hello, I'm Alexander Blackburn, the founder of the Blackburn firm. In this video, we'll discuss the types of compensation a victim of sexual harassment may be entitled to receive. Victims of workplace sexual harassment are entitled to compensatory damages for past and future monetary losses, such as lost wages and medical bills, damages for emotional distress, and punitive damages. Punitive damages are damages above and beyond the damages suffered by the harassed person. Punitive damages are awarded to make an example of the wrongdoer and to punish the wrongdoer for their misdeeds. They are available when a harassed person can prove, by clear and convincing evidence, that the wrongdoer acted with oppression, fraud, or malice. This is a higher burden of proof than is required for other types of damages. In addition to damages, the court has the discretion to award attorney's fees and costs to a plaintiff who prevails at trial. In practice, it is very common for the court to exercise that discretion in favor of plaintiffs. On the other hand, plaintiffs do not have to worry about a successful employer being awarded their fees and costs. The court does not have the discretion to award fees and costs to a prevailing employer unless the plaintiff's case was frivolous or unfounded when it was brought. If you feel that you have been the victim of workplace sexual harassment, then please feel free to contact the Blackburn firm. We will provide you with a confidential, professional case evaluation, and if we take your case, then we will provide you with the high level of legal representation that you deserve. I hope you found this video useful, and please see our other helpful tutorials.